길 내 힘으로 걸어온 줄 알았는데 여기까지 온 것도 주가 동행함이라 주님 나와 동행하심이라 때론 험한 길에서 폭풍우를 만나고 때론 가시밭길에서 고난을 당하나 주님 동행하시니 나는 두려움 없네 주님 나와 동행하심이라 할렐루야 주 동행하시네.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fabruce. I'm the medical director of BETHANY Hospital, working in this ministry with Pastor Cho. So we are very glad to have this hospital. It's a big blessing for this place, for Tamatave, for all the Madagascar people. And so we are very thankful from what God has done for this hospital and for all the staff. And we are praying that God will continue to bless this place. And now, because of this COVID situation, we are very, very thankful for all people who is praying for us. I and my wife and some of my family, we get affected, we get the COVID positive, but for your prayer, we are fine now. We came back to our duty, to our work, and we still say thank you for everyone who is praying. We know many people is praying for us, many people is praying for the hospital. So as this is like the new mission hospital in Tamatave, our vision, our dream is still we want to go far to help, to bring the light to the people in Tamatave through our medical mission. So our future, our willing for the next step is to enlarge, to increase, to have more facility, so we can give better care for the people who is really suffering for many diseases. So we want everybody to join us, to pray for us, and to support us, so we can reach this mission, so we can help and we can bring God's light in this place. So thank you everyone.